Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram story not showing problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on apps. Tap on manage apps. Search Instagram application. Tap on Instagram application. Tap on storage. Again tap on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store and update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your phone setting. Click on Wi-Fi option. Check your internet or Wi-Fi connection properly. Step 4. Restart your device. Step 5. Again open your Instagram application. You can follow all of the steps to fix Instagram story not showing problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.